out of breath from sliding across the floor for several takes to do it in the right spot, so I just need... Okay. You can use it in your salads. You can also use it to clean your toilet. What more could you really ask for from any product, really? Hi, I'm Maddie. I am going to take you for a journey through my disgustingly messy kitchen to show you what natural products I use to clean my kitchen. I'm taking advantage of the fact that my kitchen is probably the dirtiest it has ever been. I won't say any kitchen because all of my friends know that I'm actually disgusting. This is definitely the dirtiest this kitchen has ever been, so I'm taking the opportunity of having all of this disgust to show you guys how I clean my house and clean my kitchen with natural products that are non-toxic. My number one greatest help when cleaning stuff in my kitchen and my bathroom is white vinegar. I use white vinegar for everything. You can buy a gallon of it for like $2. And you can use it to clean pretty much anything. You can use it in your salads. You can also use it to clean your toilet. What more could you really ask for from any product, really? You can put it in your soups. You can put it in your salad dressings. You can put it in your pasta salad. You can put it in, I don't know, other foods that you put vinegar in. Mayonnaise. You can make homemade mayonnaise, which is actually why I bought this. But it also works great to clean any surface. It's really good on stainless steel. It's great on glass. It is great to mop your floors. It doesn't harm wood. It doesn't harm granite or laminate or anything in between. And if you are super freaked out by the smell of vinegar or having kind of a vinegary residue smell on anything, the best way to get rid of that is to just take 2 or 3 drops of like a lemon or orange essential oil and just put a few drops in whatever bucket you're using to clean with, and that will totally neutralize any bad vinegar smell. But honestly, wouldn't you rather just smell a little bit like vinegar than be poisoning yourself? The second thing is baking soda. Baking soda is awesome for any really stuck on stains. If you just pour some baking soda on there and let it sit for a while, kind of make a little bit of a paste with it with a little bit of hot water and a little bit of baking soda. You can make a paste, let that kind of sit on any kind of like grout lines or, you know, really like baked on stains, like on your stovetop, for example. And that will definitely get rid of all of those issues. Also make sure you're using non-toxic dishwashing detergent. You can use vinegar as a rinse aid. It's actually an awesome rinse aid if you just put a cup of it on the top rack of your dishwasher. As the water's all kind of flying through, it'll like spin some vinegar in there. Baking soda and vinegar are basically the only 2 things you really need. So, household cleaners are probably the most toxic thing that most of us have in our homes. So being able to even switch out some of those products for things like vinegar, baking soda, or other non-toxic alternatives is a huge, huge way to not only detoxify your house, get any dangerous chemicals away from you, your pets, your kids, but it's also a great way to save money because vinegar and baking soda is really cheap. It works just as well as all of these other brand name, big, fancy products that are full of chemicals. So I'm going to show you from the dirtiest kitchen you could possibly imagine. I know, I'm gross. And I'm going to show you how I clean it today. So using nothing but baking soda and vinegar. So let's go. For hand washing, dishwashing, or anytime I need to wash produce, I use a Castile soap like Dr. Bronner's. I'm just basically looking for simple ingredients that I can pronounce. And this stuff is incredibly concentrated. This bottle is like kind of disgusting, and I've had it for a really long time. But one of the things that I do is I'll reuse old soap containers or something, and I'll just put like a 1-to-1 ratio of soap and water to dilute this a little bit. You really need a very small amount, and it's very effective. It works really well. And as you can see, there's nothing in there that's poisonous. So that's really all I'm looking for when it comes to a regular soap. And there's tons of other brands. Dr. Bronner's is probably the most popular and the easiest to find, but Branch Basics has a similar product, and there's tons of other different brands of Castile soap that you can find. I bring you now to my scary basement, where I want to tell you guys about what I use to do my laundry. This is my favorite product that I have found so far for doing laundry. It is called Molly's SUDS. The only ingredients are sodium carbonate, sodium bicarbonate, magnesium sulfate, sea salt, and peppermint essential oil. So all things that are easy to understand and pronounce, which is always what I'm looking for in a cleaning product. And what is so great about this product, this whole giant bag costs about $18, and this bag will last me over a year doing laundry for 2 people. It smells really just delightful and refreshing. 1 scoop in the bottom of your washer before you add your clothes. And you're good to go. And that's it. Those are all the products that I use to clean my house, do my dishes, do my laundry, and they get the job done really well without any artificial fragrances or chemicals that are going to be harmful to me or to any little kids that happen to be in my house, or pets, or anything like that. So it feels really good to know that I don't have to worry about locking up all my cabinets if my nephews come over, or if we're dog sitting or something like that. And then also just knowing that I'm not poisoning myself on a daily basis is a really good feeling. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below and I will come back and answer them. You can also find me on Instagram at MaddieRayCoop, where I post more info like this every day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Let's try this one more time. I don't know.